We'll discuss about the factorial program. A factorial, let us say n factorial, it multiplies all whole numbers from the given number down to 1. It starts with n, multiply it by n minus 1, then n minus 2, continuing until reaching 1. Example, let us say 5 factorial. 5 multiply 5 minus 1, 4, again 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2, so 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 5 minus 4, that means 1. So when it reaches 1, it stops. If you multiply all these, 120. So likewise, we need to calculate 5 factorial. So we'll write this program by using Visual Studio Code. Open a new file, Python file, factorial of a number. Let us take the required number equal to 5. Then initially one more variable will take, that is a fact. Initially we'll assign the value 1. We will use for loop to find out the factorial. For, let us say, I'll write a comment here, logic, factorial logic. For take one variable for iteration I in range, we'll use range function 1 num plus 1 here. So this is the number we wanted to find out factorial. Initially for fact variable we have assigned one value, and this is the logic. In the for loop we have taken I as a iteration. We used use function range function. For range function we have given input as a 1 comma num plus 1. So what it will do here, num plus 1, 6, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. This iteration starts with 1 followed by 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sixth value it doesn't take. Range function works like that. Now the logic here, fact equal to fact star I, print factorial of a number, 0 placeholder, each one more placeholder, dot format num comma fact. So here what happens, the first time I equal to 1. So what happens, fact is equal to fact star I. Fact equal to first time 1 star 1 equal to 1. Fact will become 1 only. Second iteration, when I equal to 2, I becomes 2. Again fact equal to fact 1 star 2 equal to 2. Now fact become 2, I become 3, 2 star 3 equal to 6. Now fact becomes 6, I become 4. That means 24. Again the last one, fact becomes 24 and I becomes 5. So equal to 120. This is the way it will calculate. So result has to come 120. Now we'll execute this program. Run fact 4. Yeah, the factorial of 5 is 120. So we'll change the value here. We'll give 4 this time. We'll run again. Run. Now the factorial of 4 is 24. So this way it calculates the factorial. If we give big number, let us say 9 in single digit, we'll run it. This is the program. We have changed num value as a 9. We'll run it. So the factorial of 9 is this much.
That's all for this video.